Once upon a time in a small pet shop, there lived a friendly and curious cockatiel named Mochi. His bright yellow feathers and playful crest made him the star of the pet shop. Mochi longed for a loving family to call his own. One sunny day, a kind family visited the pet shop. Their eyes sparkled with delight when they saw Mochi perched on his swing, singing a beautiful melody. They knew he was the perfect feathered friend for them. Mochi joyfully joined his new family and embarked on a grand adventure. Mochi settled into his new home, a spacious cage filled with toys and treats. He loved spending time with his family, perched on their shoulders and chirping melodies. But Mochi's adventurous spirit tugged at his wings, and he dreamed of exploring the world outside. One day, while the family was busy, Mochi seized his chance for adventure. He wiggled his beak through the cage door and soared into the sky. The wind ruffled his feathers as he flew higher and higher, leaving his home behind. Mochi landed in a beautiful forest filled with towering trees and colorful flowers. He met friendly animals like squirrels, rabbits, and a wise old owl named Oliver. They welcomed Mochi, and together they played, sang, and learned from each other. During his forest exploration, Mochi encountered a mischievous monkey named Milo. Milo loved to swing from trees and play tricks on his friends. Mochi and Milo formed an unlikely friendship, learning to have fun while respecting one another's boundaries. Mochi's melodious songs captured the hearts of all the forest animals. They gathered around him, singing in harmony and spreading joy throughout the forest. Mochi realized that friendship and sharing his music made him truly happy. As time passed, Mochi started to miss his family. He knew they must be worried about him. With a heavy heart, Mochi bid farewell to his forest friends and flew back home. The family rejoiced, relieved to see their beloved Mochi safe and sound. Mochi shared tales of his marvelous adventures with his family. They listened with wonder and encouraged his curious spirit. Mochi knew that although he loved to explore, the love and warmth of his family were the most precious things in his life. Mochi's big adventure became a cherished tale passed down through generations. Birds and animals learned the importance of friendship, following their dreams, and the meaning of home. Mochi's legacy reminded everyone that true happiness comes from sharing love and laughter.